You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly the name of this French football coach with Arsenal. So in French it is said as, if you want to learn more names from football, make sure to stay tuned to our loads here. Arsène Wenger. Arsène Wenger. So in English, Arsène Wenger. Arsène Wenger. From French, Arsène Wenger. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.